Okay, this is question 8, and this is a past year question that most student will have a problem when they are trying to solve this question. But usually time PSPM tu dorang macam pandai solat, tapi usually they do some careless mistakes, but it's okay. So we are gonna try to solve this this question dulu lah. Okay, so there are two blocks. This is a 5 kilogram block. I'll label this as block A, and this is as block B. So it is placed on a frictionless horizontal table, so there are no friction, and connected to a 9 kilogram hanging box by a string that passes over a pulley. So we have to draw a free body diagram of both of these boxes lah. Okay, apa-apa pun, any block, any object, mesti wajib kamu buat free body diagram. Without the question cakap pun, kamu buat saja free body diagram. It's easier for you to solve when you have the free body diagram lah. Okay, so this is for untuk block A. Okay, so let's draw. First, they always have weight unless dia cakap negligible mass. Itu tiap payah. Kalau dia cakap negligible saja, tak payahlah kamu consider pasal weight. Tapi usually mesti ada lah. Right? Next, dia ada tension. Tension is going away from the block ataupun from the object. It is away from the object. And then this is in contact with the surface. So it will have a reaction force. So this is MAG. This is too big. So this is patutlah. This is MAG. This is NA. Make sure you label reaction force untuk block mana lah. Kadang-kadang usually students would forget, and the examiner can't really mark sebab dorang don't understand your solution. So make them understand. So this is your tension lah. So the tension, this is one string, so they would have the same tension lah. Okay, untuk block B pula senang saja sebab dia ada dua saja. Dia ada dua aja forces di sana. So dia akan ada weight dengan the tension. It's not in contact with anything. So there are only normal force pula, sorry. Tension, and dia ada what is this? Why do I use this font size? This is MBG. Okay? Alright, so don't forget the dot. The dot is here, dot is here. Okay, so that is for question A. Now we have to solve question B. We have to determine the magnitude of the acceleration of both boxes. Okay, so theoretically saying, if one of this is heavier, it should be going down lah. Anything pun mestilah dia turun bawah, akan lah pada pergi sini. Siapa yang tarik? There are no forces that is pulling these boxes to the left side. So dia mestilah acceleration dia mestilah pergi kanan. Yalah, dan pergi bawah. Okay, satu je yang kamu perlu faham sekarang ni. Okay, yang Miss perlu kamu faham betul-betul sebab usually untuk dari saya lah, for Miss, I think you should follow this sign convention. Okay, so anything that follows the direction of the acceleration, walaupun tak dapat baca, kamu faham je lah dari apa yang saya sebut. Anything that follows the direction of the acceleration will be positive. Okay, so apa yang kamu buat mesti cakap mesti yang follow acceleration mesti positif. Kalau dia tidak follow acceleration, kamu letak apa? Janganlah letak positif, dia letaklah negatif. Okay, alright, now baru kita boleh buat. Okay, so assuming the acceleration for both of these begitulah. Okay, alright, so now this is when we apply Newton's second law of motion. Kenapa kita apply Newton's second law of motion is because soalan tu cakap apa? Dia cakap acceleration. So tak kena kita menggunakan first law of motion if the question is asking about acceleration, kan? So now we are gonna apply second law of motion where the total force is equal to ma. Alright, now we are gonna do one by one for block A. So for block A, since we are considering the acceleration, we don't do we need to, let me just think, sorry, we don't really need, yeah, betul lah. Okay, because we are looking for the acceleration, buat apa kita mau y component? Sometimes we need y component kalau kita perlukan any other data. Tapi sekarang ni kita just perlu cari acceleration. Okay, so if we are looking for the acceleration, it is only happening at the x component. Sebab dia bergerak ke kanan. It is not moving upward. It is moving to the right. So we are gonna apply for x component. So total force at the x component will be equal to ma, mass of block A times the acceleration. So this is, since the tension is following the acceleration punya direction, it will be positive. So, and then, the x component ni ada dia saja. So, itu je lah. Jangan kamu pergi tambah-tambah forces yang tidak. Okay, so this is equal to m a a. So, this is your first equation. Now, for block B, dia ada di y component saja. So, this is only at y component. Jangan dah kamu pergi buat untuk x component lagi. Sebab dia minta, dia ada pun untuk y component saja. So, total force at y is equal to mb acceleration. Okay? So, again, anything that follows the direction of acceleration is positive. Is the tension atau weight yang positive? Nanya pula. Okay, so this weight will be positive because acceleration is going down and the direction is the same. So, positive lah mbg2. So, this is mass of block B times G, times pula, minus T. So, this is equal to MBA, right? So, we can substitute 1 into equation 2. So, this is MBG minus MAA equal to MBA. Alright. So, we are looking for the acceleration. Kita, So, kita letaklah acceleration. Kita factorize dia. So, acceleration MB plus MA equal to MBG. So, this is maths. Please don't ask me about maths as your lecturer. Gitulah. Okay, so acceleration is equal to MB plus MA. Divide by MBG. So the acceleration that you should get is equal to 6.31 meter per second square. Okay, so that is the solution, everybody. And then question C pula, we have to determine the magnitude of the tension in the string. That one kita substitute je lah acceleration into equation 1 because equation 1 is MAA. So this is 5 kilogram times 6.31. You will get 31.5 Newton as the tension. Okay? Nah, dapat sudah full mark dalam exam. It is very simple. The only thing that student balik-balik buat is dorang lupa yang kalau yang follow acceleration tu mesti positif. Dorang pergi letak T ni positif, yang ni negatif. Boleh, tapi sekarang tu acceleration tu yang kamu kena letak negatif di sini, which is more confusing. Okay, tapi if you understand it that way, I don't really have a problem with that. But please make sure you don't do any careless mistake lah. Alright? Okay, so that is the solution for question number 8.